Let's look now at naming aldehydes. Aldehydes are named the way we've been naming compounds. The only difference will be the ending. Aldehydes end in Al. Let's look at the first example. Here is our aldehyde functional group. So the longest chain that includes the aldehyde functional group is just 2. 1, 2 for 2 carbons. The root for 2 carbons, of course, is F. And the ending is Al. I'm going to be very careful to make sure that my A looks like an A and not like an O. OL would be alcohol. Al is aldehyde. Now, one thing you should notice right away, the aldehyde is always on the end of the parent chain. End of the parent chain. End of the parent chain. It has to be at the end because the aldehyde functional group only can make one bond. This is the aldehyde functional group. It can only make one new bond, so it is always at the end. For that reason, we don't put a number here to say where the aldehyde group is, because it's always at the end. We might see that better with this second example. Longest continuous chain that includes the aldehyde group is there. We have a methyl group sticking off here. We'll number from the end of the aldehyde, like this. That tells me that the methyl is on carbon 4. The hex tells me it's hexanal. Al for aldehyde, hex because of 6 carbons. We have a methyl on carbon 4. Notice though, there's not a number in here. There's not 1 hexanal. Aldehydes are always on carbon 1. They don't have a choice. That's how the bonding works. So 4-methyl hexanal. Let's look at that in this example here. Here is our longest continuous chain. Notice the bend. Don't be fooled by that. The longest continuous chain is not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a methyl group sticking off. Again, we'll number from the end of the aldehyde like this. We see that there are 5 carbons with methyl sticking off carbon 3. That looks like this. 3-methyl pentanal. 3-methyl pentanal. The aldehyde is on carbon 1. Last example, when we have a ring compound, a cyclic compound. In that case, you know that the name will start with this prefix, cyclo. Cyclo always means ring. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons in the ring, and there's an aldehyde. So this is cyclohexanal. And again, we don't need a number. No matter where we would put this aldehyde group, this would still be the same compound, cyclohexanal. These few examples should be enough to get you started, to get you realizing how the naming goes, and now you can go work on additional practice problems on your own.